guys, it's me K8DIY here. I'm in, as you can probably tell, a garage right now. Today, we're going to be taking this, it's so pointing to take out my eye. We're going to take this star and we are going to transform it into a beautiful room decoration. What? Let's get right into the video. So here are the supplies that you need.
Alright guys, so the first thing that you need is your object or decoration that you are going to be sprucing up or spray painting today, and that is my star right here. And then I'm going to use this golden metallic spray paint. And then I'm also going to be using this primer that I'm going to be putting on the star. And then there are these tools that I'm going to be using to take the rust off of the star. This is steel wool, scourging pad, I'm pretty sure, sandpaper, and a sand block. So you guys don't need to do this last part if you don't want to, but I just thought this would add a little bit more of a shine to my star, so I'm going to be adding some glitter. Alright guys, so the first thing is first, we're going to move everything out of the way. We are going to be sanding down the rust on the star, and we do not want to get any rust on our tools.
So guys, I don't know if there was any improvement. I really hope that it looks like there was. I smoothed out a lot of the rust.
So guys, next I'm going to go ahead and take this steel wool and I'm just going to rub it against the whole star after we've gotten all the rust off, just to really smooth everything out. And then you're going to take a cloth and wipe it down to make sure you got all of the dirt off it before putting the primer on.
Okay guys, so we just put on the primer stuff. It smells terrible. It looks really good. And then next we're going to be putting on this metallic gold paint. I'm going to add some glitter. So this is what it looks like during halfway through. Then we have to put this on next, which is probably going to take a long time.
And then I went ahead and added some glitter. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I feel like it turned out wonderful. It looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.